Good morning, beautiful people. It's Sandro from Abstract Homes. We're at part 6 now of the chimney takedown. 6 or 7, somewhere around there. Hopefully it's 6. Don't want to confuse you guys. Anyways, when we left off here, we had the rest of the brick taken down. We took off the whole layer right down to the foundation. We have cut this probably a good 8 inches down below. So this is all solid concrete. We chipped this out in order to get, remember, our 3-foot clearance here from our walkway for firefighter access. So now we've got that here. We reframed this whole structure with pressure treated lumber. I just like using pressure treated lumber, especially when I get the opportunity to do so. We've siliconed or sealed the bottom plate here. We spray foamed these inside corners here because it was quite gappy and there's lots of air getting through there. And then we used 3/4 inch T and G plywood on top of this. So it's really solid, extremely solid. It's way better than what it was before to begin with. So as you see, we fit it in here. And I've left this top section loose for the purpose of, there's a fireplace, gas fireplace, so we haven't got it here yet. So I want to make sure that we have it set in place and that we get our vent cut out so I can actually take it out. And if I have to cut a little bit more of the upper structure out in order to accommodate the new vent, we'll do so. So it'll be a sidewall vent. It will be high enough here that nobody can hit it with their head at firefighter access. So it'll be up around here somewhere, over 7 feet. So that takes care of that. We'll show you what we need to do here. This stucco's quite thick, and typically we find whenever stucco's at a corner and you have a brick or a 90-degree angle here, they really build it up super thick. So we haven't finished chipping it back yet, but we have a little bit more here to chip down. We're just going to take that one layer off. There's 2 layers. You got your scratch coat, which is a coat that supports your finish coat here. So this is rock dash, is what they call rock dash stucco. So we'll just take this off a little bit more down here to expose that so this part can blend in and then with a nicer finish on it. And so yeah, this is pressure treated 2x4s that we use inside here, and we insulated with Roxol R14, and actually there's 2 layers at the bottom and 1 layer at the top here, so it's insulated extremely well at that point. And this is what I was talking about earlier in the earlier segments that I did. The way that these houses, like some of the character homes that were built here, had this little buttress wall, and it was a flared buttress wall, so you can see how much it came out of here. So between here and here, we didn't get 36 inches, and we can't jackhammer the neighbor's concrete and encroach on his property to get that 36 inches. So we've had to cut it back to 38. We're squaring this up here, and as you can see, there's lots of rot. We've got 8 inches of concrete we took right out of here as well. There's a ton of rot down here, so it's probably a good time to do this. And we'll put pressure treated lumber in here as well and cut this 2x6 out, pull it out of the way, put the pressure treated one all the way down, and then again we'll just we'll use this. Now we have our 38 inches, and then we'll stucco this corner too and blend that in as well as best they can. So that's it for now. We'll go inside tomorrow. We've had to do some leveling there because of the rock or the concrete base that they put there, where they usually put their fire bricks on and stuff like that. It was really rough and out of level, so we've had to use a couple of rounds of self-leveler already. So tomorrow we'll do our 3rd round of self-leveler on there, and we'll show you what it looks like on the inside. Take care, guys.